very important and interesting problem from theory of equation. Here it is said that the range of the value of k for which the given equation is here, has 4 real and distinct roots is given by 4 options are given, that are the range of k. We have to find out the correct range. Okay, for this type of problem, here we first write fx is the given equation. This is x to the power 4 plus 4x cube minus 2x square minus 12x plus k. This is equal to 0, and it is given that it has 4 real and distinct roots. Okay, so we differentiate one times this function and get the result as 4x cube plus 12x square minus 4x minus 12. This is equal to 0. Now we try to factorize this equation f dash x equal to 0, and we get the equation by taking common 4x cube plus 3x square minus x plus 3. This is equal to 0, and so easily it factorizes into 3 factor. The first factor is x plus 3, and the second factor is x square minus 1. This is equal to 0, so we get x plus 3, x plus 1 and x minus 1. This is equal to 0. So the roots of this equation is given by x equal to minus 3, minus 1 and 1. Okay, and we know that the roots of f dash x equal to 0 separate the roots of fx equal to 0, and also it is given that this equation has 4 real and distinct root. So if we draw a real line here, we first plot this is minus 3, this is minus 1 and this is 1. These 3 are the roots of f dash x equal to 0, and since this root separate the roots of this and it has 4 unequal real root, so the 4 root of fx equal to 0 must be like here 1, here 1 and here 1 and here 1 also. This is the first, this is the second, this is the third and this is the fourth. Okay, this is not 1, 2, 3. This is first, this is second, this is third and this is fourth root of fx equal to 0. And now to determine the range, we first find here this is minus infinity, here f of minus infinity we first find, and clearly f of minus infinity, this is infinity because this is even power of x, the greatest power, so this is positive. Okay, and now we find f of minus 3. F of minus 3 is given by minus 3 to the power 4 plus 4 into minus 3 whole cube minus 2 into minus 3 whole square minus this is 36 plus k. So getting the result, this is 81 and this is clearly 4 into 27, this is 18, this is plus 36, this is k. Okay, so we get 117 from here and here, and this is 108 minus 18 plus k. Okay, so we get 117 minus 126 plus k. This is equal to this is given by minus 9 plus k, and this gives, this is equal to minus 9 plus k. Okay, now we find the value of f of minus 1. This is minus 1, and we write here this is f of minus 3. This is given by minus 9 plus k, and here this is positive. Okay, we write here minus 9 plus k. Now f of minus 1, which is given by, clearly this is f of minus 1 means 1, this is minus 4, this is minus 2, this is plus 12, this is plus k, this is equal to, sorry, this is not 0. So we get this is k plus 7. Okay, this is 13 minus 6, this is 7. So here we write k plus 7. Also, we find the value of f of 1, this is 1, f of 1. F of 1 is given by, f of 1 means this is 1 plus 4 minus 2 minus 12 plus k. And this gives the value, this is 5 minus, and this is 14 plus k. So we get k minus 9. Okay, so here we get k minus 9. Okay, now we get 4 interval in which the roots of this are lies. The first interval is this, the second interval is this, and the third interval is this, and fourth interval is this. Okay, so we get this is positive, so it must be negative, because if there be a change of sign, so this interval contains at least one real root. Okay, so minus 9 plus k must be less than 0, that is k less than 9. This is one proof. And now this is must be positive, because it is negative, so it must be positive. So we get k plus 7 greater than 0, so k greater than minus 7. This is second proof. And last proof is again this is also negative, so we get k minus 9 less than 0, so we get the same result as the first one. So our range of k is given by minus 7 less k less 9. Clear? So very easily we determine the range of k, and our correct answer is answer C. Very important problem from theory of equation. Okay, thank you for watching.